Any mention? Supplementary list, item number 1.
Who's appearing for the appellant?
My Lord, your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, I am appearing for the appellant. My Lord, this miscellaneous file for my Lord seeking condemnation of delay of about 187 days, Lordship. Deferring the appeal. It's an income tax appeal, my Lord.
Okay. We'll issue notice then.
We have
Mr.
explained the
Chetia.
delay in para.
It's 187 days.
My Lord.
Yes, sir.
My Lord.
Yes,
Yes,
but
Lord.
this is an application,
Yes.
Section 5, Conviction Act for condemning the delay of 187 days in preferring the income tax appeal against the order dated, against impugn order dated 2/1.
My Lord, order dated, Lordship,
Second of 2/1/2023, passed by the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal Guwahati bench. Stop. Next paragraph, Mr. S. Chetia, issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. Yes, returnable in 2 weeks. Yes. Steps to be taken by AD within 2 days. Yes.
Deeply obliged. I am obliged.
Daily list, item number 1.
That matter, Miller, in which inquiry was conducted by the District Judge Nongpo
Yes.
under directions from this Honorable High Court. So the inquiry has been completed and the report has been submitted, and the amicus is Mr. Yubin.
Your Lordship, let the matter be taken up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Why?
He's out of station, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miller, but regarding the copies of the report, Miller, whether your Lordship would first take the views of the amicus?
No, because the copy is made. Let's see what he says.
All right.
Then, if anything against you, then you're entitled to to your views also. Yes. Prayers we made on behalf of the amicus, Mr. P. Ubin, appeal in court today for some accommodation. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
All right.
Also, yes.
Item number 2.
May it please yours.
Yeah, what matter? Yes.
This is the matter relating to boundary dispute. Matter is pending in the Honorable Supreme Court in this matter, my Lord.
What's happened?
So there is a stay, my Lord, and matter was fixed for hearing by the Honorable Supreme Court in the month of July, my Lord. So matter has not yet been taken up.
July 2023?
Yes, my Lord. So we are awaiting
Yes,
for
sir.
the matter to be taken up, my Lord.
Yes, as the matter is still pending consideration before the Supreme Court, list after 6 weeks. Parties at liberty to mention before that if there's any outcome.
Item number 3.
There's a delay, my Lord, in filing this appeal.
This is a fresh matter.
My Lord. It was listed earlier, there was a mistake in the condonation application. We filed a revised one.
No, but you took steps.
No, my
Have
Lord.
already been taken as per order sheet.
But on the last occasion, to withdraw this condonation application in view of certain
Where is
defects.
that?
512, my Lord. That was passed in the miss case, my Lord, that order.
There's a mistake.
In the withdrawn miss
Freshly
case.
file is on 8/12.
Yes, my Lord. Fresh miss case we filed, my Lord.
This is a fresh one. You sure? 13/12 notice issued.
The order sheet.
There's no earlier order. 512 not here. This is a fresh matter, absolutely.
But I think the service report is not complete.
Notice already been issued. Yes, office note indicates that the service on the sole respondent is not complete. Yes. You update status.
But
Counsel for the applicant, Mr. Aru, to obtain status of service and to file service affidavit if necessary.
deeply.
Item number 4.
Keep updates to order also.
May it please, Your Worship. This is, I have been informed, my lord, that there is a settlement between NTPC and Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited, my lord, regarding this. And then I seek 1 week time, my lord, to place the settlement before the court.
In fact, my lord, on the last occasion, order sheet will show, my lord, that we had placed the settlement on record. There are 2 letters, my lord, in the records of this honorable court. One is from petitioner MPDCL, that is 17.
Communication date 17/11/23 and 28/11.
So 17/11, 17/11,
2023, my lord.
17/11.
And 28/11/2023. These are the 2 communications.
So we close it. What remains there?
Nothing
What remains
else.
to
Nothing else.
Your Lordship may take these 2 communications on record in view of these 2
took them on
communications.
record.
Uh,
17/11, my lord, contains their proposal. The other, our communication contains our acceptance.
28/11/2020.
Yes, my lord. So matters over, my lord.
Learned counsel for the parties submit that as the matter has since been settled out of court, for which communications dated 17/11/2022 and 28/11/2020 had been produced on the last date, that nothing remains for consideration in the present writ petition. Stop. Accordingly, on the submissions made to the counsel of parties, matter stands closed and disposed of.
Published.
Item number 5.
Especially NTPC.
The state was to take instructions, my lord, and file an affidavit.
Who's appearing for the state?
Mrs. S. Bhattacharya,
He is on sanction leave.
my lord.
Yes, as the counsel for the respondent state sanction leave, this is matter after. When is he coming back?
After 3 weeks, my lord.
After 3
Season
weeks.
to 20th.
In the meantime, interim order shall continue next day. Finished.
Any mention?
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention this item number 48, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we're supposed to file our rejoinder, Lordship.
Yes.
In the last occasion, your Lordship has
Item
given...
number?
Item number 48, Lordship.
48.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, we're supposed to...
Last chance was given to them, my lord.
My lord, in the meantime, we're supposed to file, Lordship, but we couldn't file, Lordship. But now we have received the instruction, Lordship. I'm praying for only...
Close. You don't file it when the matters come up. You just
Lordship, you can this is matter for hearing, Lordship, but in the meantime,
It's
just...
already in the hearing list. We'll hear it today.
Lordship, final chance may be given, Lordship.
No.
We've received instruction, Lordship.
Can't help it.
5 dates,
Give
my lord.
date.
5 dates they've taken, my lord, for rejoinder.
48. Mention been made for hearing when? When should the matter be heard?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship. If Lordship permits us only 1 week's time, Lordship, we'll file our rejoinder positively, Lordship.
Rejoinder to we are closing it. No, rejoinder is not by right. You can
1
make
week,
all
Lordship.
submissions. Or allow them last opportunity.
5 dates they've taken, my lord.
Anyway, as a final opportunity, they
opportunity.
are permitted to file rejoinder. Stop. This after 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention this item number 41 also, Lordship.
You are for?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Yeah.
41.
41, Lordship.
41
This
Indian
is that soda matter, Lordship. 51, Lordship, 51.
Then be clear, what do you say 41 then? Who's there?
My lord, nothing survives in this case, my lord. Election, if your lordship,
That election,
with regard to election, my lord. Optioning.
yes,
Election
Lordship.
has been concluded, Sandas has already been issued to the new headman. my lord.
Then?
Nothing survives actually.
Lordship, matter may be heard after 2 weeks.
Why?
Lordship, Lordship, senior counsel has something to argue,
No,
Lordship.
what remains in the case?
Lordship, the merits is yet
Now, what
to...
was the prayer and the writ petition?
Lordship, that...
If it's structureless, there's no point in continuing. What is the prayer and writ petition?
Lordship, to the renewal of that sanat, Lordship.
So renewal for the Sanat.
Renewal of that sanat. Lordship, because in this case, there are three headmen.
Oh, for 1 year sanat there.
Yes, Lord.
Umsting Ton Ton Fan.
Umsting Ton Lordship.
Okay, when's your senior come back? Tomorrow?
Lordship, after
After
2
1
weeks.
week,
After 2 weeks, Lordship. Next week, Lordship, my senior is out of station, Lordship. So I'm praying for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Otherwise, structures matters, no point in crowding the list. Yes.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Though has been submitted by... No, just have 2 weeks. Yes. Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Lordship. This CRP matter, I was supposed to file one affidavit stating that I have not served the notice.
You have not done what?
I was not served the notice when the matter was pending before the trial court at Tura, Lordship.
Bharati Prasad?
Yes, Lordship. Because what my learned friend is saying that I have received the summons when the matter was proceeded.
The 2019 matter,
Yes,
maybe
true,
the
Lordship.
oldest matter in my board.
And she is from UP, Lordship, so I need some time because very difficult.
The matter was heard on the month of October. They were required to file an affidavit. We're in the month of February now. Because the order sheet shows that they were served notice and they entered appearance. My friend denies it, which is why he prayed for time to file an affidavit.
Can you file it within 1 week?
1 week, no.
Oh,
at
1
least
week's time.
2 weeks, Lordship.
That's the
At
last
least
opportunity.
2 weeks.
1 week, yes. 2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks. Last opportunity, yes. Gentlemen, and Mr. S.A. Sheikh submits that due to what circumstances you couldn't file the affidavit?
She's out. She's from UP, Lordship, because
Due to Mr. S.A. Sheikh submits that affidavit couldn't be filed due to unavoidable circumstances. He prays be given 2 weeks further time to file the affidavit as allowed by this court. Prayers allowed. It's a final opportunity. This matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
too late. Obviously.
Yeah.
If I may make mention, mention an unlisted motion case, my lord. The case was duly filed yesterday within the stipulated time, and even a writ petition number was lent to it. However,
what's the matter about?
Well, the matter is about vacation of movable property from a piece of land that has already been sold off and auctioned. And therefore, well, it's...
But the cut-off date today or something?
Well, there is no cut-off date. That is the problem.
Well, let it come tomorrow then.
Well, there is a certain difficulty, my lords, because I would be, again, moving out. That's why I filed it yesterday. Writ petition number also, my lord.
You're paying for other side?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What does this matter about?
Your Lordship, actually, it's a type of one matter with yesterday one, Your Lordship, with, arising from the...
KBS Motors?
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's not the ones that are to be sold. Sold property, my lord.
Now, why come to this court repeatedly in the matters which are emanating from those CRT, orders?
Well, here, again, we are not aggrieved with any order.
That is the case you're trying to make out, but this court was not convinced yesterday also.
But this is on a different footing, my lord. Here, we are required to move the movable property, the movable assets that are in the sold-off land. That is the problem, my lord. They have not issued us any note, any certificate. Just the auction purchaser is repeatedly calling us and telling us to vacate the properties.
Okay, let it come.
All right, man. Obliged, man.
You be here?
Today, Your Lordship.
Today.
Your Lordship, my senior, the conducting counsel, he said he need to seek instruction from the bank, and it is a type of matter.
Doesn't matter. You let it come today. We'll pass orders. We will not pass any, adverse orders against your party. Okay. Yes.
Item 1221. This is Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation versus MECRC, my lord, regarding those orders which have been passed by the chairman. I was praying for short accommodation of 1 week, my lord. Your lordship might have it on 13th. We may have physical hearing because on that day, because this requires some hearing, my lord, on Monday.
Then we'll have on 12th. 14th.
14, your lordship. 14.
This on the bail, Advocate General appearing for the petitioners. Any items 12 to 21. This matters on 14th. 2.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, 14th is a puja. If there can be some, 14th is a puja, Saraswati puja. It can be any other date.
I thought because it's Valentine's Day.
That also, my lord. That also, my lord.
13th, your lordship. 13th. If
13 are too many matters fixed. That's 19th.
15th, your lordship may have it on 15th. 19th,
Friday
some
again.
matter.
Dicey. You come on Friday. Come on 19th or 18th.
19th, there is some matter fixed in Supreme Court, my lord. That's why I'm so.
Give a shot on 15th. Yes.
Good.
You're making the court bend over backwards, to accommodate the council.
Sorry, my lord. And my lord, this item 31 to 46 is regarding this gratuity leave encashment issue, my lord. Leave encashment benefit issue, my lord. So, my lord, I will be needing some short accommodation in this matter also, 31 to 46, my lord. We have been making the payment, but our financial condition is precarious. Even we are having difficulties in paying the salaries also, my lord. So we need some time to take instruction in this matter, my lord, because even current salaries we are unable to pay, my lord. So kindly.
31 to 46 after 2 weeks.
Yes.
My list is exhausted then, yes.
Well, I beg to mention item number 30. I put the respondent number 4 here. 2 weeks, man. It's fixed for hearing.
Yes.
No objection.
2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged.
Should I have a prayer for item 47?
Being too liberal also has its counterproductive. All the list getting exhausted. 47.
47. Mr. Chanda is indisposed.
I'll fix one special day for all Mr. Chanda's matters. All his matters which are pending, which he'll be repeatedly asking for hearing. One day we'll have.
Yesterday there were 2 matters.
And we'll finish them off. You agreeable?
Yesterday there were 2 matters, Lord.
Yes, so we'll club them all together in one day. All his matters will finish them off one day. Yes, 2 weeks. Yes, 47.
Worship, I have a prayer for item 49 and 50. Lordship, I seek liberty to withdraw this petition, Lordship.
Both.
with the liberty to
49
file a
50.
Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, what happened is we had the petitioners wanted to, not infractious, a new cause of action, Lordship. My application has been rejected. So we want to...
49 and 50. Mr. M.L. Nongpur, Leonard Council Petition submits the immediate permitted to withdraw this application with liberty to file afresh.
Afresh, Lordship.
If so advised, the matter stands closed on withdrawal with liberty as paid. Vote item number 49 50. Yes.
50 is same order. 50 also same order. Obliged.
Yes.
It is Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 27. For the respondent.
Yeah, objection.
Your Lordship, if they pay the salary, then we can drag this matter, Your Honor. Your Lordship, if they pay my salary, Your Honor, I'm at stake for the last almost 2 years. I'm not receiving my salary.
Who's your senior?
Mr. Piobin, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lord?
Who's the main respondent? You're the main respondent.
No, I am from the estate respondent, my Lord.
So who's the main respondent? You're the school.
Yes.
My Lord, and the Honorable Court has passed an order. Who is the approved teacher? So I have got the communication.
Let it come up. Let it be called out. Let it be called out first, please. Not many matters in the list here. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 28, Your Lordship.
We're not adjourning 27.
28, Your Lordship.
You wait for 27, yes. I'll make the juniors argue matters now.
Item number 28,
Yes.
Your Lordship.
28.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
And your voucher, Your Lordship.
You'll be ready. You read the file. You got the file with you? Yes, you read the file.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Where's the petitioner? Who's the petitioner? Who's the lawyer petitioner? Mr. Khalindo or Mr. Piobin?
Khalindo.
None appears for petitioner's matter after 1 week. After 1 week, yes.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, this is for non-release about the one-time retirement in JCDC. I was serving as a UDA and then was released from service on the 15 November 2021. And now there's no pension. However, there is a retirement benefit like gratuity and other benefits are there. So till now...
When you took voluntary retirement?
Lordship.
When?
In the year of 2021.
Have they
November.
quantified the amount payable to you?
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
They've quantified the amount?
Yes, Lordship.
What is the amount payable?
That amount is, I did not mention, but there are even my salary for 7 months or so they have not paid.
No, have they quantified the amount which they have to pay to you?
Yes, Lordship. They're supposed to.
How much?
That amount exactly I don't know. They will they will
yes, and then
I'm so sorry, Lordship.
Yeah. Anyway, will take notice to me. I heard Mr. P. Sama issue notice. Mr. SD is present on behalf of the all the respondents. No calendar is called for. List after 2 weeks. 3
Maybe
weeks
after
for
4 weeks.
affidavit.
4 weeks.
Instruction affidavit, yes. That was retired since 21.
21 November.
Even then.
Item number 3.
Much less, Lordship.
May please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the brief fact of the case in here is that the petitioner is the successor in interest of the deceased person, Gerald Bruce Ferris Black, who is the legal tenant of the stall number 5 and 20 at Synod Complex under the Khasi Presbyterian Assembly for the past 35 years, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner herein is the legal tenant of the said stall, and a formal agreement was executed in favour of the petitioner regarding the stall number 5 and 20. And Your Lordship may kindly come to... These are the tenancy agreement which has been executed in my favour, Your Lordship, regarding the stall 5 and 20, Your Lordship. And also the order has been passed order dated 4/12/2010 regarding the said stall that I am the tenant of the stall number 5 and 20. And Your Lordship, for the expansion of my business, I have availed a loan from the...
Now, what do you want by this petition?
Your Lordship...
If the landlord-tenant dispute, then why are you filing a writ?
No, Your Lordship. I've already filed a suit.
Then what happened to the suit?
Your Lordship, here, kindly draw your attention, Your Lordship, to page 47 first, Your Lordship, Annex 9. As I've stated, Your Lordship, for the expansion of my business, I have to renew my tenancy agreement. And this tenancy agreement has been renewed in my favor.
No, okay, what happened? You said that what? This is, if it's a landlord-tenant dispute, why have you come by the petition?
Your
What's
Lordship,
your prayer? Let's see. I have not looked at the file. So caused by the illegal act respondent for forceful illegal shutting down. They've shut down your stall.
Yes, Your Lordship.
While the civil proceedings are going on.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are
Actually,
there orders from the civil court?
No, Your Lordship. Let me just clarify on that basis, Your Lordship, because the tenancy agreement still exists in my favor, and it will be expired till...
If the matter is pending before the competent court, civil court,
Yes.
then why don't you seek your remedy from that court itself?
Yes, Your Lordship. Regarding that, the stall was illegally shut down on the 8/12/2022.
No, whatever it is, now you say that the suit's pending, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You file a suit.
Yes.
You file a suit, you obtain injunction against...
No, Your Lordship. Regarding the injunction that I filed under Section 151 CPC, the lower trial court, they passed an order to maintain status quo. But Your Lordship...
So status quo has been maintained, so if they're trying to shut down your shop, isn't that a violation of the status quo order passed by the...
No, Your Lordship, because the store, and I filed a case, I filed a suit against the respondent on the 22nd/12/2022. And the court passed an order on the 22nd.
Okay, you mean to say that after the shop was shut down, you file a suit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And status quo orders are passed, that means the shop continues to be shut down?
Yes, still
so
yet,
that
Your Lordship.
petition now you're seeking to reopen the shop?
Yes, Your Lordship. But
how is that possible?
No, Your Lordship, because even the trial court below, they fixed a very long date, till the April, Your Lordship. And what happened in this matter is that the several times I've seek clarification regarding the...
This is pending for which court?
The Assistant to Deputy Commissioner, Your Lordship.
Let's see the order of the civil court. Where is that?
Kindly come to page 111, Annex 27, Your Lordship.
101, 111.
Yes, Lordship.
Now the claims are returned to you.
Yes, because at first instance when...
Now the return that you filed in the correct court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's the order of status quo?
I'm sorry, Lordship, I haven't annexed that.
Then?
Let me just bring on board that order, Lordship.
You're coming by that petition, you're trying to seek some sort of injunction or some orders of this court.
The respondent, they...
See, if you require any orders of it, you have recourse of section 96, 94 of the CPC also. If any, urgent interim order necessary, then if you could have placed your case, because this is purely a civil dispute by writ, what do you expect to achieve by filing the petition? That you'll get orders for reopening of the shop?
Your Lordship, even in this case, Your Lordship, the respondent...
Is there any illegality, something that you've come under 227 or 226?
226, Lordship.
I'm sorry, I mean, It's a purely land tenant dispute. All the remedies are open before the civil court.
But Your Lordship, even the civil court takes a very long date. So
whatever it is, you have to annex the order of the civil court. How will the court see whether we can't call for the record at this stage. You take a call on it. Otherwise, you no relief forthcoming from here. Maybe we can give a small direction that the matter be taken up early. But if the order is not there, also.
I'll just bring on board, Your Lordship.
Then you have to recast the entire petition. You can't insert now the matters. You can't insert an annexure now. We'll give liberty to withdraw. You want to file, but then you better pursue remedies there, or even file an application for advancing the date, not before this court.
I just make a prayer, Your Lordship. We will file a recast petition, Your Lordship. We'll just annex that order.
Then you have to withdraw this petition.
Yes, we'll liberty to file for this, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, but then even then, there are other remedies. I can't advise you from here, but there are plenty of remedies you have. There's the prayer of the land counsel for the petitioner. Matter stands withdrawn. Will liberty to file a fresh if so advise.
How you like,
Item number 4.
What is this?
My Lord, this is an application for condonation of delay of 93 days, my Lord.
193 days?
93, man. Only 93.
As heard Mr. L. Kareem, the counsel of the petitioner in this case, contains an application for condonation of delay of 90 days. Issue notice.
93, my Lord.
93 notes on the prayer for condonation of delay. Steps to be taken by 3 days. Just after 3 weeks, yes.
Item 5.
What is he mentioned again?
Madam.
What is the problem?
My Lord, they are trying to forcefully give me the movement order, my Lord. The impugned order, which says that, my Lord, the impugned order is at, my Lord. The outdate that is proposed was in month of October, my Lord. My Lord, if I can take your, my Lord, to the impugned order, my Lord.
From the main case?
My Lord, my Lord.
Page,
my Lord, 54.
You are?
My Lord, I am Bharti Swine.
Bharti Swine, yes.
My Lord.
Movement date 30th September 23.
23, my Lord.
So you're still stuck in the same place. You didn't move?
No, my Lord.
Why?
Still, no movement order was issued, my Lord. After filing of this, my Lord, of the writ petition, realizing their mistake, my Lord, now they are trying to forcefully. I have made a categorical statement of malafide against Brigadier Purse and other officers, my Lord. If the heaven has not fallen from October, my Lord, why?
It'll fall now.
How, my Lord? And none of the, okay. It has been, my Lord.
Yes. Yes, Dr. Mozika, what's this? You receive a movement order now?
No.
Now you served, how long have you served in this in Shillong?
My Lord, only, even not 2 years completed, my Lord. 22 years.
10 years, usually 3 years.
My Lord, 10 years is 3 years, my Lord. And even that, my Lord, I have given an undertaking that upon completion of 20 years of my service, I will voluntarily retire from here, my Lord. And 18 years, that has been accepted by them, my Lord. So that will be, still no reliever has come, my Lord.
You complete 20 years, how many more years
my Lord?
Left of your service?
Going to be completion on 20 years in July 2025, my Lord.
25, that's
my
long. Yes, Dr. Muzika. But how can you oppose transfer?
My lord, I'm not, my lord. I'm not. Subject to the conditions, my lord. The tenure, I have just movement order which I have.
The tenure, those are not standing orders.
It's
statutory orders that that they have, that violation of the same will that'll be enforceable in law. No, as per exigency, transfer is.
My lord, that's exigencies, my lord. My lord, here the prima facie there is no exigency, my lord.
How can you say that?
My lord, since October they can wait, my lord. What hurriedness? Where is the exigencies, my lord? And why I have made a categorical against by naming the Brigadier Purse, who has a malified interest. Against
put him by name, yeah.
By name, my lord.
Where is he?
In para 5 of the miss case.
Notice to him.
No, my lord. Para
Why?
5 of the miss case.
5 the miss case.
My lord.
Yeah, Dr. Muzika.
5 and 7.
But in the main case, he is not the name, my lord.
Then?
My lord, in miss.
In the miss case, he can't do this.
My lord, that's.
You can't develop and improve your case as you go along.
My lord, that's nothing as such, my lord. But the heaven, my lord, she's why? What has necessitated not to allow her to complete the?
No, why do you want to stay in Shillong?
No, my lord.
What's the reason?
Nothing on medical ground, my lord. I have annexed in the writ petition all the medical, even in the. She is still undergoing the treatment in the AR hospital itself. She is admitted in the.
What's the illness?
There are BP problem, diabetes are there, my lord.
Even I have BP problem.
That's.
Then? BP, diabetes is not a life-threatening disease. No, but apart from that, only because you say that it's it's not as per the ROI.
ROI, my lord.
That's all.
ROI, and it's not in terms of why don't she the department has the power to take it as a last leg posting, can consider as a last leg posting, my lord.
Because the policy
It's the policy they have, my lord.
Yeah, Dr. Muzika, but we won't interfere.
My lord, as of
it seems that there's nothing in the petition, my lord, that she's opted for voluntary retirement. Well, I'll file an affidavit, my lord, because at the motion stage also, my lord, your lordship will also not inclined to grant any stay order. And if I may just refer to the last order, my lord, 20th December, we were directed to dispose of the representation. My lord. That has been done, my lord.
Disposed of? Where is it?
It was disposed of earlier.
20th December. Have you received the order of disposing of your representation?
My lord.
Well,
Yes.
in fact, the representation was disposed of in the month of
October itself.
October itself. My lord.
Now what happened? Where's the you've challenged in the miscase the representation? What have you done? What the miscase for what?
Miscase is for not to department not to take any coercive action against the petitioner, my lord, and for staying the order, my lord.
Transfer, we can't stay like that.
My lord, no coercive, no movement order. My lord, no movement order should be issued, if at all. I do agree, my lord, that transfer order is a part of a service condition, my lord.
What do you mean by issuing forceful movement order?
My lord, it's
you
a
use force to serve the order on you.
My lord.
On the point of a gun.
My lord, gun. It means you have to take it, my lord. So verbal order is also an order, my lord, in the forces.
Then, apart from that, there's no other ground you made out. Only that the minimum tenure should be 3 years, that's all.
3 years.
The difficulty, my lord, your lordship, kindly see page 54, my lord. There is a series of transfers, my lord, by the same order.
The other people have moved.
No, my lord. No reliever has.
Understand this case really.
No reliever has come, my lord, to relieve the.
No, they won't come now. 54 is the 5 people.
5 people transferred, my lord. The petitioner is transferred from DGR RSA to 44, my lord. And number B, your lords will see somebody from 44 AR has been transferred to DGR, my lord.
Not to RSA, my lord. And they have not joined, my lord.
What is 44 is Orissa?
No, my lord. RSA means my learned senior is trying to show that the other person has.
The petitioner is supposed to go to 4 person has been transferred out.
So the 44 person has not come also?
No, my lord.
But he's not supposed to come to her place, my lord. He's going
Take
to.
a success over this matter, otherwise.
I'll file an affidavit, my lord.
My lord, certain protection, my lord. That's the plea, my lord. If the heaven has not fallen, my lord, nothing will change.
Order that council submits that heavens have not fallen and not likely to fall in the near future, and so should remain in the same post. Place
Definitely, man.
Can that be a judicial order?
No, my lord. It's not a judicial order, my lord. I'm just.
Not a judicial order. What kind of order?
I'm just showing that, my lord. Nothing has gone wrong till since October, my lord.
Miss case, notice number 10 of 2024. By this instant Mrs. application, the petitioner seeking the stay of the operation impugn transfer order dated 17 August 2023. Next part, to be noted that the same transfer order has been impugned in the main petition, that is WPC number 414/2023. Wherein at the motion stage, at the earlier stage, this court was not inclined to pass any interim orders. Next paragraph, Dr. N. Mozika, learned counsel for the petitioner, also submits that the representation that had been filed by the writ petitioner dated 5th October 2023 has since been rejected.
Yes, madam.
Has since been rejected, and as such, movement orders will naturally follow, directing for the petitioner's transfer from the present place of posting. However, he also feels he will be allowed to file an affidavit. On having heard submissions on the counsel of the parties, the only ground that the transfer order has been challenged is that the same is in contravention of the stated policy
ROI
in the ROI
1 of 2016.
Where it is stipulated that, where it is given that, not stipulated that, of posting should be a minimum of
3 years.
3 years. In this view, the matter, the prey of the learned DHA is allowed, then affidavit be filed within
2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks, yes. No interim correction.
My lord, 2 weeks, my lord. If you, my lord is, my lord, I'm giving that.
Okay, status quo as a boon petitioner till the next date.
Item number 6.
Just as a.
My lord, I can understand, my lord.
You can understand. It's very good. You can understand.
Transparency.
But not transparency. Otherwise, not inclined. Don't expect, that.
Transfer.
You can't interfere like that. Only that because the movement order you're supposed to move since September and nothing's been done. That's the only consideration. That's all. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Where's Mr. Shah? Is it resolved?
Yes, my lord.
It has been resolved.
Yes. Parties submit that the matter has been settled out of court. In orders have been recalled. So in that view, the matter, as nothing remains for consideration, matter stands closed and disposed of.
My lord, petitioner has not been served with the recall order, my lord.
That's recorded in the order.
Okay.
Daily list, item number 1.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, the petitioners applied for the post of radiotherapy, my lord, in the Nigrams, and that advertisement was kept in abeyance because they abolished, my lord. And subsequently, fresh post was sanctioned, my lord, and advertised. They applied. They are again number 1 and 2, my lord, in the next advertisement also. Our stand is, my lord, that we are in the process of
appointing them.
We have taken the matter for revival of the earlier posts. If those are revived, they will be granted appointment against those also. But against the fresh advertisement also, they are number 1 and 2, my lord.
So, my lord, let the formal appointment letter come.
Instructions?
My lord, instructions are we cleared the exams, but as on date we have not received any offer of appointment.
Up to 3 weeks?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Philemon normally has counsel with the petitioner submits that due to subsequent developments, the matter may be posted after 3 weeks to await any outcome. The same is not objected to by learned DGSI. Yes, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Item number 2.
Meet, please, Your Lordship. Lordship.
No objection. What are you saying?
Meet, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is that demarcation matter, Your Lordship. This is that demarcation matter, Your Lordship, where we have filed a review against this honourable court order, Your Lordship. So Mr. Paul is leading us in this matter, Your Lordship. So I pray that Your Lordship may kindly let this matter come.
I think you know the matter well enough by now.
Lordship, in your counsel, this is quiet.
Why? This year will be the year for the juniors, remember that, in my code. Okay? So if the senior is not there, then the juniors will argue. If adverse orders will fall, then maybe it will not pass. But if the matter can be taken up, we'll take up.
Lordship, matters.
How many years you practice now?
2 years, Lordship.
Then 2 years is long enough now. Mr. Dev, when he practiced 1 month, started doing final hearing matters. You know that? That's correct, no?
No. 9 months.
Yes. Last time, so short time, absent Mr. K. Paul. What to do?
This matter can be disposed of, my lord. This matter where the private party has no objection. And now they are saying that the land is not the same land. So we have no objection. District Council has no role to play.
Let the senior council come. Yes, prayers made on behalf of Mr. K. Paul TDB, who's not present in court today. It is a matter of 1 week. Yes.
Can I oblige, Lordship?
Item number 3.
1 week you prepare the matter. Yes.
File affidavit both.
3, 4, and 5 are connected, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for 1 week's time, Lordship, for filing the rejoinder, Lordship.
Rejoinder?
Affidavit in the disposition as well as in the contempt, Lordship. That is item number 4, Lordship.
You file your affidavit in contempt. Mr. Chanda, please for the allowed 2 weeks time.
1 week, Lordship.
2 weeks time take or last time again to file rejoinder.
My lord, in the writ petition, there is a status quo, my lord. That is creating.
That's why, Lordship.
With regard to the movement of the doctors, that remain. If you are confused as you are, better status quo remains.
But what is happening? This is affecting even other paramilitary forces.
Doesn't matter. At least it'll take. If it affects them such an extent, maybe they'll take some concrete action in formulating a proper policy.
Item number 6.
It's all your own creation. Whatever is happening now
is 25 transfers of doctors in
whatever is happening now, Dr. Mozika is your own
lord,
creation.
the interim order is confined to them, my lord.
Whatever is happening is, it's your own creation.
Well, the order is restricted to them only.
We'll see after 2 weeks.
Next
Item
week,
number 6.
Yes. Okay, after 1 week.
Your Lordship, item
Where's your,
six.
yes,
Lordship.
pension been paid?
Yes, Lord. Received instructions, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kanta.
As per the commitment given before this court, we have already released 2 months pension to the writ petitioners, except the former MLA, who's also getting pension as MLA, Kong Irene. And be that as it may, Your Lordship, we have already released the amount of 2 months. Some MDCs have not been, amount has not been credited because they have not furnished the account number.
What instruction?
Lordship, they are being paid 10,000.
What is the date? 5,000 per month, correct?
5,000. So they are being paid only for 2 months.
What is the outstanding?
They have certain different outstanding, Your Lordship, because some they.
No, suppose the petitioner number 1.
Petitioner number 1 from 2014.
2014 to
2019, Your Lordship. 2019. So it's 3 years, almost 4 years.
No, only thing, see last order. He said response and made arrangements for release of some amount before Christmas.
Lordship.
So they are released 10,000 each. So how many people?
I think they are around 1 second, Lordship. No? 33, Your Lordship. This is a sanctioned letter, Your Lordship.
What should we do this matter?
Should be closed, Your Lordship. We have got a commitment to pay, we'll pay, Your Lordship. We are not saying we'll not pay.
We'll close it. If you don't pay, you come
Yes, Your
again.
Lordship.
We'll open the door for you.
Lordship, I'll take instructions in that regard. Your Lordship, because meager amount of 10,000 and the matter has been pending from 2022. Paying 10,000 is peanuts to the petitioners, Your Lordship.
The previous EC wanted to repeal the act, but we did now with the present EC, they were kind to consider the release of
just
pension.
take down, yes. An order dated when, this one?
That date we couldn't get, Your Lordship, for some reason.
No date.
Just the letter.
How can there be no date, Mr. Tinta?
I think through oversight we got the copy, which is the draft copy, the final order. By mistake, we could not collect. Be that as it may.
Okay, we just recall that Mr. Vijay Kantalan, Special Counsel for the District Council for the KHDC, has submitted that as per the commitment given to this court on 13/12/2023, certain amounts have been released to 33 ex-MDCs. He further submits that the District Council is committed to servicing and paying the outstanding amounts of the other retired MDCs. He further praised that since the process is underway, that the incident application be closed. Stop. Next paragraph, MSB Karwanlang, General Counsel for the British, however, has voiced her objections with regard to the paltry sum, with regard to the sum which has been given to the ex-MPCs, and prays that and submits that the matter may be kept pending to ensure that the respondents adhere to the commitment given before this court. Stop. Next paragraph, be that as it may, this court presently is of the view that as the payments have commenced, this repression can be closed at this stage with liberty to the petitioners to approach it, to file institute fresh proceedings in the event that the commitment is not honored. Yes.
Much obliged.
Chance closed and disposed of.
7.
Thank you.
Connected matter, Your Lordship, 6 and 7.
7.
Item number 8.
Hello, I am appearing in item number 8. We are filing the suggested issues.
Why has that been filed? Have you filed these issues?
I've already filed it.
When?
On the last date.
Today itself, I believe it has been filed.
Correspondents have not filed yet.
Yes, they are filed. I've received.
Respondents they are filing today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Just
Today morning.
copy today.
And we are also filing an application for the preservation of the CCTV footage.
Where's the application? This is the application for preservation 151.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just regarding presentation.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Such issues have been filed by the main case, election petition number 2. Such issues, preliminary objections. Okay. So this draft issues on preliminary objections.
In Your Lordship, it is in terms of Your Lordship's order
Yes,
dated
yes, I remember.
31/10/2023.
Draft issues on preliminary objections raised in MC Miss case EP number 19/2023 in compliance with order dated 31/10/23 has been filed by the respondent today. Stop. The same came on board. You already filed said issues also.
Yes.
Yes, specific issues will be framed on the next date. Then list on so and so after 2 weeks. Then the miss case, this is well numbered. This is the misapplication under 151. Miss case -2024 that to be registered. Election petition number 2. This misapplication has been filed by the respondent seeking preservation of and production CCTV footage of the High Court on 11/4/2023. Have you got a copy?
Yes, 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 received.
Yes. Copy has been made over to the election petitioner. So list this matter together with the main case for consideration in next date. Yes.
Thank you, Your
Lordship. Your Lordship.
What is that?
Your Lordship, against Your Lordship, they have went to file SSP but dismissed. Just one place on bring on.
Who filed SLP?
The respondent, Your Lordship. It's been dismissed, Your Lordship, regarding the Your Lordship order.
Or the order regarding that 7/11.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 9.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship. I've obtained instructions. It appears that power was restored on the 29th. Now, there is another issue. I have applied for an independent connection. I understand it would not be convenient for Lordships to take it up at this point because most of these documents are not on record. So
you won't take it up also.
I'll withdraw it up. Hello?
You withdraw this matter?
No, I'll withdraw this with liberty to approach the trial court as and when the cause arises.
Yes, Mr. S. submits that he has been informed that the SC connection has been restored since
29th.
29/1.
Evening, Lordship.
29/1/2024. As such, he prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the instant civil application with liberty to approach the trial court for other reliefs.
Lordship.
Praise allowed. Matters closed for withdrawal.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item number 10.
Barcelona.
Please, Lordship.
What
Lordship,
contempt?
this. Yes, Lordship.
The salary matter of Jaintia District Council.
How many?
We have for the staff association, Your Lordship. We've been
That's
paid
what I'm asking.
salary.
How much? What is the staff strength has been paid salary?
Around 1,000 plus, Your Lordship. This includes the judicial staff also, Your Lordship.
Yes, you file affidavit.
Well, I'm entering evidence today.
Dr. M. Mozika is appearing today on behalf of the respondent.
Respondent number 1.
Number 1,
There are two more.
service is complete. Who are the other respondents?
State government.
The chief secretary and the secretary of DCA, Lordship.
On behalf of respondent number 1, such service has entered appear on behalf of respondent number 1 today. What about the others? Steps been taken?
Service. Yes, Lordship. Service completed, Lordship, for the other respondents as well.
Yes, office note indicates that it service also complete on the other respondents. As such, service stop. Dr. Mughaz praised for the law. How much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop this. This is matter of 2 weeks for affidavit by number 1 and for appearance of 2 and 3.
11.
Yeah.
In item 11, the respondents have got time for extension.
Well, after the file the contempt application, my lord, we moved the division bench, my lord, for extension of time. That has been allowed, my lord. So this is
Infructuous. Lordship,
premature at this stage.
So anyway,
I'll withdraw your Lordship
as
at liberty.
the time for compliance with judgment dated 25/5/23 has since been extended by the division bench. This matter is closed at this stage.
Sorry, my lord, it's a single bench.
Single bench by the connected bench.
Lordship, that liberty may be given, Lordship.
Yes, liberty is granted to the bench to approach.
Obliged.
File appropriate application if necessary.
Obliged.
$22.
Yes, MS Chalam. What is this?
Your Lordship, we have already filed a affidavit, Your Lordship.
Who's the petitioner? You filed it. You already filed it.
Yes.
Who's the petitioner? MS Sharam submits that the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 3 and 4 has been filed. Stop. None appears for the petitioner today. It's a matter of 3 weeks.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
Yes, record so-and-so for 2 and yes, room Thao for so-and-so.
23.
Appearing for the state respondents number 1 to 4. I've just received instructions. They may be granted about 3 weeks time.
What about 5? Six.
Similar prayer, my lord.
Respondents plead allowed further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Yes, list thereafter and so on. So. But yes, allowed this thereafter so on. So.
Deeply obliged.
24.
It's 24 again for the state. I'm yet to receive instructions for it.
Isn't the hearing is 24?
No, 24 is the last order matter.
Not hearing, Lordship.
It was just a fresh case.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. S and then AG, please GA, please phone allowed further 3 weeks time to file affidavit. There's the after and so on. So.
Highly blessed.
Much blessed, Lordship.
Supplementary 1. Item number 1.
57. Hearing? Okay.
Your Lordship, I beg to list the matter tomorrow.
What matter?
I'm not prepared. This is
Already adjourned for 1 week. No one was there.
Supplementary 1.
Supplementary.
Will you have enough time to prepare over the weekend? Yes.
Supplementary 1.
Understood? Okay, understood.
Understood, matter.
Where's the person who asked for
Apologies, my lords. If I may, today's case, my lords, relates to the part of the property that has already been sold off to the Panchnama that was entered into at page number 12. Your Lordship has it?
Yeah.
Now, my lords, the annexures to this are available at page number 14. And the list of items at page number 17. 17 is the typed copy. 16 is the handwritten list. So at page number 17, Your Lordship will note it.
Chair, so you find a plastic chair for the Aymara 1, cabinet box 5. So what's the difficulty in removing these?
This is not the end of it. The next page. 15 Tata Nano cars.
Then what's the difficulty?
The difficulty is that it requires this property used to function as a car workshop. Now, after the bank took possession of it, we were not able to move it out, and these cars do not belong to us principally. They belong to the owners, and now the property we would require a huge land property to move all of these.
15 Tata Nanos.
Not just that, my lord. Chevrolet Sail, Tata Indica, Maruti Alto.
Tata Indica, 1 Maruti Alto. And 2 Indigos.
The photos are annexed on the following pages. Your Lordship may kindly see. At least some time may be given. A notice was also not intimated to us. We also preferred a representative.
1 week you take time.
1 week would be a little less, my lord. They may give us a notice at least first, and then we can proceed, my lord.
No, these are all, they're all consequential proceedings after the auction. And it's understood that, you should have removed them by then.
But, my lord,
they'll be able to sell them as scrap.
The lock and key was not with us, my lord. It was with them all throughout, and now it is with the auction purchaser.
Auction was held on 31st of August 2023.
Intimated
for your annexure.
Intimated only in October. The letter, Your Lordship may kindly say, that was preferred to us by the bank at page number 11. Your Lordship will notice.
Yes, that's 10th. It's August, September, October. Now we're sitting in February.
Yes, my lord.
There's nothing. I mean, I thought that maybe you had. We
also preferred representations to the bank as well as the auction purchaser, my lord.
Okay, what's sorry, your name?
Ms. P. Ratam.
period of time. So, this application has been filed by the petitioner seeking time to remove the movable assets within the properties which have already been auctioned off by orders of the DRT Guwahati on 31/8/2023. So there must be an attempt to obtain instructions. This is the matter day after tomorrow.
Your Lordship asked for the instruction from my senior. He said since this matter is a type of matter, so let this matter come on the same date.
When
that
the
is
next
on
date?
the 22nd of this month, Your Lordship.
It's on 22 years.
Well, till then, well, they may.
Meanwhile, you remove them.
I'll try, Malad. They may be directed not to dispose of the property till then.
They won't dispose it of.
But they are intimating us on call. We have call records to show, Malad. Please, Malad.
Remove the court, they won't do anything. 22nd, they'll come up.
Some protection, Malad. Otherwise,
In between, we will find a.
but some protection may be granted. Some protection, Malad. Otherwise, if they dispose of anything, Malad, these cars do not belong to us,
You are
Malad.
flogging a dead horse repeatedly.
But
in this case.
By then, we'll attempt, Malad.
Yes, petitioner undertakes to attempt to remove the movable assets before the next date.
Till then, Malad, some protection.
Yes.
Some protection,
No,
Lord.
they won't do anything.
Oblige.
Hearing 25.
Yeah.
Wait, please, Your Lordships. This is my lord.
Where's your opponent?
Teachers.
Oh, no, I know this case we've heard it enough time.
My lord, in fact,
the
the first hearing took place March last year.
No, he has to come instructions whether the state government had given any amounts.
No, there he has filed an affidavit. Now he is saying, admitting. He is saying, yes, my lord, without this it can't be.
Where is he?
He said, he told me, I talked to him in the morning. He said, we'll do it. We'll do it today. He came and informed me that he will do it. And he has filed an affidavit that 80%. Now he is admitting, he is sorry, we made a wrong statement in earlier affidavit. That amount we have received.
Where is he? We're not concerned about the facts, we're concerned about the person supposed to, to conduct the matter.
Well, he is around here.
After some time, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
27.
Let's see the order dated 1810.
Yes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, just to correct, there is some clerical mistake in the order dated 1810 of 2023.
Yes.
Point number 3, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Instead of 22nd March 2020, it's 22nd March 2010.
Okay. Now have they come with answers to these queries?
Yes.
Let us see.
Your approval order on page number 3, 4.
That means the approved teachers are Norbert Marwin.
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Then I Tihun Sangpliang.
I Tihun
You're appearing for I Tihun Sangpliang.
And Shidalin.
You're
Appearing for the secretary of the
school. Okay. And last one is Shidalin.
Shidalin Molot.
Your Lordship, first of all, we need to see the date when the for approval they have sent.
Appointed on 1st of July 2021. Approval.
2021, Your Honor. On this matter,
So when they were.
the examination was conducted 2010, Your Lordship. So
You
before
give a
that,
copies of this.
Yes,
they have given you.
I have not received, Your Lordship.
Yes,
And query number 3, there's no answer anywhere, Your Lordship, neither in the affidavit of the respondent number 5.
It's very clear.
Yes, Your Lordship.
See, number 3, they say that the school management committee did not intimate the office on the sign during the date conducting interview.
Yes,
so they
Your
have no
Lordship.
knowledge about that. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then, number 2, approval been given. On 12/19.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, Mr. Hazarika, you can put it just in the form affidavit if it's,
yes, ma'am. Right.
and then so she can reply to it.
Yes, Your
If she has
Lordship,
some
because my question will be...
Firstly, MS M. Yao Sai, counsel of the petitioner at the outset, has pointed out to the court that in the order dated 18/10/2023, at point number Roman 3, 123, instead of the date 22/3/2020, the date should read as 22/3/2010. So the same is recorded. Next paragraph. Ms. H. Hazarika,
Your Honor,
pursuant to the order dated
in the order dated 13/11/2023, it's already corrected.
Already corrected?
It's corrected.
Oh, corrected.
Oh, then sorry. Then
And Your
forget.
Lordship, I
Why
just
don't you say that
interrupt.
already been corrected?
I'm sorry, Your Lordship, maybe I was absent on that date. And Your Lordship, if I may be allowed...
13/11. Allowed what?
Your Lordship, if I may be allowed, because this case has been going on
Allowed
since...
for what?
My submission, Your Lordship.
You are free to submit, but let them you take copies of this first.
Yes,
Because
Your
then you
Lordship.
order the picture totally. If the courts accept the answers to the queries,
Not
you
in
outline the
connection with the query, Your Lordship. Like, now for the last almost 2 years, I have not received my salary.
forget
I
the
have...
salary. Now, thing is that now they have given this to the queries who approved teachers. They given 3 names. Your names no in the picture.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes,
Correct.
Your Lordship. I'll
Then-
reply, Your Lordship, because my
Otherwise,
question
if we
is,
accept that, then you know in the picture.
who were the approved teacher before that, Your Lordship? Because they have approved the 3 teacher in the year 2021 after I raised the issue since 2018. I will reply to that during the hearing, Your Lordship.
Pursuant to the queries, made in the order dated 18/10/2023, the learned GA today has supplied contained in the letter dated 15, allowed to place a statement affidavit with advance copies to the writ petitioner's counsel to enable him to file replies, if any, just after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged. Yeah.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
You take this back for the meanwhile. Yes.
29.
Lordship, wait please, Lordship. Lordship, I want to withdraw this instant writ petition, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, fresh cause of action has arisen, Lordship. Third party has already been with the liberty, Lordship.
As a new cause of action arisen, we will have to withdraw this writ application with liberty to file a fresh third case. Yes, Mr. Sen. Yes,
Well, conducting counsel is on his he's in the other courtroom.
On legs.
Yes, my lord. I just came from there.
They will take it up after 2 days.
After?
2 days, you tell him. We have to complete it.
My lord,
you see the same matter.
Day after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yes, as the energy says, to be on legs, this is matter. Day after tomorrow. It's Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
This matter adjourned.